Hello, right, today you join me. I'm gonna be replacing the RAM in my MacBook Pro. I think it's a 2012. So, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is start with the Mac and go to About your Mac to see what kind of RAM it's got in. It also tells you how to actually change the RAM there as well, and you can figure out what RAM you need, etc, etc. So let's do that now. Okay, so it's normally in the top corner. About 2012, and back then it was sort of a basic spec really, and I had a upgraded hard drive in it. So we've got so yeah, it's a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2012, and it's got DDR3 RAM in it. Okay, so if you go over to memory, it tells you what RAM is currently in it, and then we can go to memory upgrade instructions. Okay, so this opens up the Apple website. How to remove or install memory. So, I'm not too sure if this is in your first years of purchase. I'm not too sure it voids your warranty. I'm well out of the warranty of this Mac, so you might want to just check with Apple before you go ahead and do this. Normally if you touch it within the first year, they don't like touching it themselves. So let's get back. Mid 2012, so we'll scroll down. 15-inch, mid 2012. It tells you what it's got in it. Base memory 4GB. Like I said, mine was kind of a base spec. This tells you what memory you need. So I need DDR3, 30mm, 2GB or 4GB, 204 pin. And comes down here, the instructions, how to do it. So yeah, sounds easy. So we're gonna get into that right now. So we're gonna start by powering down completely, shut down your Mac. And I'll join you when it's shut down.
1 hour later.
Right, so as it said in the instructions, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. We've got one long one there, 2 long one, 3 long one, and the rest are all short. So let's get them undone. Okay, so when you've took them all off, just pull it from the back. And here we go, and the RAM is right there. So whilst it's off, you might want to just take this opportunity to give it a quick clean. Right, so, but I did that last month, so it's not too bad. Right, the RAM. Okay, there it is. You just push these tabs apart. RAM flips up and you just pull it out. This is quite hard one-handed. Try and just pull it out straight, that's all. Right, so there's another one right in there. You just push the tabs either side and that one comes out. So 2 secs. Right, so there we go, all out. So the RAM I'm replacing it with is the gonna double it to 8 gigabytes. So we just got the Crucial DDR3 RAM, and pretty much just put it in the same way you took it out. Bottom one in first, goes in at a 45, and then push it down. Make sure it clicks into the bottom one. Make sure you push it all the way in, and yeah, same for both ones. So I'll join you when that's in. Right, yeah, right. After you've put the cover back on, start your Mac up. If you've not pushed the RAM in fully, your Mac won't start, and it'll start making a bell sound like beep beep beep. So just hold your power button back in, take it all apart, make sure you pushed them back in properly, and try again. So boot it all up, go back to about your Mac, and then you can see what RAM you put in. So we've gone to about your Mac, and there we go. 8 gigabytes. Now I've just noticed actually as well that the RAM's a bit slow. Obviously I've put more RAM, but the RAM's slower. This is only 1067 megahertz. The ones I took out was 1600, so we'll see how we go with that. Hopefully it should be a lot better. We've got double the RAM. But anyway, thanks for watching. That's how you change the RAM on a 2012 MacBook Pro 15-inch.